Devastating flash flood that occurred in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand on 7th of February has had an immense impact on the nature. This uh, Google photo shows the actual position of Rani village, Rishi Ganga project, Tapovan, which I have earmarked. This is the schematic diagram of the incident that occurred in 2016 as well as now of slippage from the Trishul side of the peaks, whereas there have been several theories going around that the slippage is in the Nanda Devi range due to placement of some nuclear device way back in 1965, which is a false narrative. And you can see clearly from the satellite images that where there was a huge chunk of snow earlier, this has been left bereft of any snow and even land there. These are the visuals that I had received from various sources and also available on YouTube, but they are not in a proper sequence, and I have tried to draw them in a appropriate sequence. This particular video has been recorded from Rani village, which is the first inhabited village from the place where this natural calamity occurred and is on banks of Rishi Ganga river. As you can see from the video itself, there is a huge plume of snow as well as dust that is rolling down the gorge, and the sheer volume of this flow has created the major devastation. Had it been a wider plain, or had this water got a better and wider space to move out, the devastation would not have been so immense. So we have to follow this video as per the sequence of events, and these have been captured by what I call as mobile warriors. Now you see the water flowing in towards the Rishi Ganga project and has been recorded by someone who is standing above. These are the tenements in which the workers used to live, and as you can see, the people are shouting to get them out. But because of the roar of this water cascading down the mountain, slowly it engulfed this entire region. And in the next video, you can see that some people have been able to visualize that something wrong has happened upstream, and there's a huge cloud of dust that is flowing down, which actually has been caused by the moving of the huge boulders that have struck the sides of the narrow valley, uprooted trees, and also caused immense damage to the ecosystem, as the rolling effect of the stones, which are actually huge boulders that are working like grinders right now and have pulverized whatever has come in its way, and the angle at which it is flowing, that is it is moving downwards at a rapid pace, which has caused major problem for all those inhabitants or the companies which had put up the hydroelectric project down below. This particular video shows the effect it had on the Rishi Ganga hydel project. It has been totally devastated, and within seconds the entire structure has been ravaged to the ground. You can see the kind of intensity with which this mass of water, mud, boulders, which are actually from the gathered along the route by this water and snow and the boulders, which has impacted this region so badly. This image makes one realize the power of the nature, and we humans are just like little ants in and cannot face such fury with even with all our might and technology that we have achieved. Slowly, this avalanche of snow, water, boulders, mud is now making way towards Tapovan, which is the second hydel project on the way downwards. And this was totally functional hydel project with a capacity of more than 15 megawatts, and now you can see even down below as the space opens up, the fury continues, but the speed is slowly diminishing, but is causing immense damage to the infrastructure around it. Huge loss of life occurred because of this very condition, and now you can see that the Tapovan Hydel project has also been devastated fully and will not be functional for a long time to come because of the silt, mud, boulders that have collected behind the dam has and rendered it totally useless. This is another well shot video which shows that as the river is opening up beyond Tapovan, the slide has slowed down, but the intense pressure caused by the mudslide as well as the rocks and boulders have totally damaged the infrastructure of Tapovan, and the water is heading downwards, and there are major places of religious importance en route like Rudraprayag, Srinagar, Devprayag, etc. This is now the Vishnu Prayag Hydel project, wherein these are the residential quarters of the company that is running this show, and you can see that as the water has spread out more, it has slowed down. And this last video is been shot by someone from Joshimath side, although it is bit sketchy, but it shows the actual footage of what occurred. And down while going down from which towards Badrinath from Joshimath, one has to cross this road, and you can see the kind of damage this silt has actually caused by covering all the riverbed with mud, and thus it would have essentially raised the height of the riverbed, and during the ensuing monsoons this will cause further damage to the ecosystem, and we have to take measures for the same. Thanks for viewing.